Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Want to learn how you can access your dashboard from the Wix Harmony editor? It's so easy to do, and here's how you can do it. Go to the Wix logo button on the upper left, and from here, go to the bottom and select Go to Dashboard. Another tab will open on your browser, which will open your Wix Harmony site's dashboard. And from here, you can go ahead and manage your Wix Harmony site. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.